Hey, Talofa, sua. Manu, level so what?
Hola.
Hola,
Muchas gracias.
hola in Spanish means hello, right?
Yes. Hola means hello. Talofa.
Pasa mo hola.
Samoa. Or Samoa Chile. Hola.
So who is Romania playing this week? Because obviously you guys are going to be playing against Hong Kong.
Yeah, it's a double header on Saturday. 8 o'clock is our game. Your Sunday, 8 a.m. But 3 p.m. here on Saturday, we play Hong Kong, and then 6 p.m. here. 3 hours later, Chile. They play Romania here in Santiago in the same stadium. So double header. So straight after our Manu game, and then there'll be the other match, Chile and Romania, and then we play Georgia next week, and then it keeps rotating between the teams in Santiago. Yeah.
But do you have a team list? Who's playing and who's on the reserves for our game on Sunday?
Yeah, we are in a few hours. We're announced publicly. So around 10 a.m. your time and 5 p.m. our time, all the teams will publicly announce all our starting 23 for the weekend. So we got a good lineup coming up. You see some of our pretty much our local boys or the on-island boys that we picked from the NPC, Warren Solomona, Tuna Tuitama, Elisabetta Lofipo, and Taunu. New Levaia. They'll be on the 23 this weekend, so excited to announce the team, get a good response from our public.
Yesterday, Miracle was headlined in the Observer newspaper. It says, Miracle is Manu Samoan captain.
Yes, Mira will be leading the team for this campaign, solely because we've mentioned before, Theodore McFarland, our captain, isn't available for this campaign due to where he's moving to, his new club from London in England. So, we've gone with the Moana captain and someone, these boys were within our pathway, Corey, from Samoa. Miracle, the Lakpi Samoa Academy, Manuma, the Sevens, the Monsamo Sevens, they both played for Manuma and then straight into the Manu after our NPC in Samoa. So and they're now leading the pack. So some success stories from back home.
How's the team keeping? Everybody's fit. Everybody's not injured. There's no injuries. 20 of our key players.
Yeah, we've got a few injuries. We've had a replacement. So Faletoi Penny is out. He plays second five. He's from Moana as well. In the forwards is Titi Lamustele is out for injury. He's replaced by Lolani Faliva from Hawke's Bay. And then you have Michael Curry, who plays up in Auckland. He's also been replaced by J. Tuivaiti, or Tanya Lau J. Tuivaiti, who was also in the sevens program in the lock position. And just last week, we got another injury through training. D'Angelo Lewila is injured, and we now have Danny To'ala that's come in again to the Manu. So those are the injuries that we've had, and also Pelu Maliko, who also was in the sevens, winger, couldn't make the campaign from France because he's also injured his knee. So we're left with more people coming in, but that's the beauty of elite sports and professional rugby. You get to take your chance when you're given, and some of the players have stepped up. This is their chance to shine, and again, this is the start of our journey to the Rugby World Cup.
I watched a bit of the game, the highlights for the Chile and Manu game over the weekend, last weekend. Our boys are pretty good, man. They had some good line breaks, and we get a good-sized team also.
Yeah, amongst us and some exciting players now. You saw in the midfield Peter Umanga Jensen, pairing up with Duncan Paiawa, and then you have our local boys out in the wings, Tunan Warren at 14, and then you have Isabetta and Taunu coming in on the bench. It's a balanced team in terms of the old boys and the new ones coming in, and also those from on the island. Just this is the exposure they need, and they can only be better. So looking forward to the game this weekend, Corey.
Yep, against Hong Kong. Listen, so thank you very much for that report. I'm glad to hear that the whole team is fine and fit and looking forward to the game on Sunday. Please pass our regards over to Lemalu Tusipisi and also to Kane and our captain.
Yes, I sent them your well wishes earlier when we had the other conversation last week, and Lealofo Makuria Lauso
Faftai
McCain. It's the first match of our campaign. Him as head coach and us as management for this new format from World Rugby, Nations Cup. So we thank also the public for the messages, the well wishes. The good messages and even the not so good messages. We take it on board and we move forward from there. So tomorrow's our Friday, so tomorrow's our captain's run and our jersey presentation. By then we'll already announced the team publicly, and obviously we've already done it internally. And then game day Saturday.
All the best. Yeah. 5 lava. 8 a.m. Remember, 8 a.m. Samoan time Sunday morning. 8 a.m. Sunday morning for us. Okay, so Manuel Aso.
Gracias, Corey. Muy bien.
Muy bien.
Adios, amigo.
So, Manuel Aso.
Yeah,
fast for. And that is my friend Sua. Hessed Ieremia. Of course, he is the manager for our Manu Samoa team, who are playing this Sunday against Hong Kong. Next week, Sunday, against Georgia. And then the following Sunday, it'll be against Romania.